Present.
Yes, my name is Nelson Munyanda, and I'm a manager with MTN Foundation. I'm here to take you through an opportunity called the MTN Changemakers, where you can come and apply your project and improve on the standard of living of your community. So all you need to do is type in MTN Changemakers application, and you're able to get to this page where you will check out the overview, what the MTN Changemakers is all about, the principles, the duration in which this program runs. It's due on 9th September this year. However, we intend to extend for one more extra week for people like you to join in this application process. We also have terms of and conditions of the program, which you are mandated to look at before you continue with the application. This also should be able to give you guidance on how to apply. Then we have also frequently asked questions, which you can also refer to for those who may need more details about this program. So let's drive into the application form. And in this application form, we have a section on general information, which is about your identity, your number, your telephone number, email address, an alternative person to reach out in case you're unreachable. The project details, say you into tree planting. You have to also select where does it fall under this. The thematic area it falls, you select one of those, and then you can go into the project location. Where is it located? The county, the sub-county. How long will it take for you to implement this project, and how much will it cost? How many, and with the beneficiaries, we are looking at disaggregated number of people, the male, female, the youth that you're reaching out, and also people with disability, to also stress out that your project is inclusive. The beneficiary organization, the name and whether it's registered or not, please indicate that. Is it an NGO, CBO? Then more details about your project, summary of your project, the objectives, the project beneficiaries in detail, and also your sustainability plan. And most importantly, and what your budget is going to focus on mainly, and also share with us the totals. After that, please make sure that you accept the terms and conditions. You accept the terms and conditions here, and then you check out "I'm not a robot" and submit. At the end, by this program is reaching out to at least 25 communities where we are investing over 500 million Ugandan shillings. So this is an opportunity for you to apply and be one of those organizations or individuals or groups or associations that can benefit from this very good program that is in its second phase. Thank you very much for considering application.